Hi, I'm Matthew Craig and you're watching The Market Bull. Joining me in the studio today is the CEO of GreenTech Metals, James Rattenbury. Thanks for joining us today, James.
Thank you, lovely to be here.
So just firstly, for those that may not know, can you give us an overview of GreenTech Metals and its flagship projects?
GreenTech Metals is a Western Australia exploration development company. We have the Munni Platinum Group Metal Copper Nickel project sitting 60 kilometres south of Karratha. So that's a historic resource with 24 million tonnes at 2.9 gram a tonne PGE for 2.2 million ounces. 10 kilometres away from Munni, we have the Wandoo Copper Zinc Gold project, which is a historic VMS mine. So that's got 6 million tonnes at over 1% copper, over 1% zinc, and we're looking at incorporating a lot of gold credits to really make that more scalable and higher grade on an equivalent basis.
So an ongoing review of historical Munni data has identified upside potential not captured in the historical MRE. Just what has come from this?
We closed on the acquisition of Munni in February, and I think as part of the maiden drilling program, we identified that there was all this historic core on site, and that core had only been sampled where they expected to hit the reef zone. We saw an opportunity to go back to that core farm and unpack some of those boxes, re-log the core, resample the core, and effectively assay for broader zones than were done historically. The upside there is that we've got this data set that I think can help us unlock the value of Munni as we drill, but also determine what's been done historically and where those focus areas should be.
So GreenTech recently concluded its maiden drilling and resampling program at Munni last month. How did this go?
Yeah, really well. So I think one of the things we found was that having all that core there meant we didn't have to drill as many metres as we thought. So the drilling was around revalidating the data for a updated JORC 2012 resource. So that's QA/QC to make sure that the historic data we have meets modern standards. So that required twinning holes and it also required the resampling of historic core. And we also took the opportunity to drill some new holes that were looking at extension and infill at Munni.
And just lastly, what news flow can investors look forward to over the coming months?
So we have assays that will come out in the next couple of weeks. We also expect to use those assay results to validate the historic data and proceed with a re-estimation of the Munni resource.
Thanks for joining us today, James, on The Market Bull.
Thank you.